One of the most common reasons for why our Yangqin strings break so easily is because they are rusty. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way to maintain the strings so that they will not get rusted so easily. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music. If this is your first time watching this video, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts as well as music tips and live lessons that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. Alright, before we get started, please make sure you get these 3 items ready. A small bottle of WD-40, an old piece of rag, and a small piece of sandpaper. For the sandpaper, you do not need to get a very rough one. A smooth one like this is more than enough. Why do I recommend WD-40? First of all, it can drive out moisture. Moisture is one of the reasons why the strings get rusted so easily. It can cleanse and protect the strings, loosen the rusted parts, and most importantly, it is free of sticky mechanisms, which means when you wipe this on the strings will not feel sticky at all. Once you get these 3 items ready, let's get started. Step 1. We will wipe off all the excessive droplet or moisture that is on top of the strings. As I'm a left-hander, so I'm going to wipe it from the right to left. You might not have noticed it, but actually there are very small droplets that is on top of the strings. And these droplets are one of the culprits that made the strings rusted so easily. So we are going to wipe them off one by one from one end to the other end. And you realize that I'm only wiping on this bridge number 4 is because these are the strings that will get rusted. From bridge 1 to 3, what I mean is bridge 1, bridge 2 and bridge 3, these are the ones that will not rust. The only one that will rust is on bridge number 4. Alright, so let us just wipe off every single strings and leave no droplet on top of the strings. Alright, once we have done that, let us proceed to step 2. Alright, let us take a closer look at the strings right now. As you can see, the surface is all darkened. These are all the rusted parts. Right now, I'm going to use the sandpaper to sand the surface so that it will take away the rust that is on the surface. Right, just take the sandpaper and start moving right to left and right to left in one direction. Okay, as you can see, the surface is now brighter. Let's do a few more times. Alright, so now you can see that the strings are back to normal color again. It's silver color. So the next step we are going to do is to put the WD-40 on a piece of the cloth that we use. And we are going to wipe the cloth on top of the strings. You see, this is what you get after you have used the sandpaper and to wipe it off with the WD-40. So let's change a clean side again. Alright, there you go. Once we have done that, we'll use another clean part of the cloth to wipe it one more time without the WD-40 this time. It's just to clear away the excess WD-40 that's on the strings. Alright, so now take a closer look at the strings. It's as good as new. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the strings. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you like what you watched, remember to hit the like button and to share with your friends. I've been doing this maintenance for at least 1 year and now my Yangqin strings are all in tip-top condition. So it's just a 5 minutes work, why not? Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.